Good evening, Dr. Afas. But before that, my name is Ong Jingfu and my metric number is X65809. So today I'm going to answer the question task 3, which is A per 11. So before we answer the question, we have to write down our terms of question first. Our objective is to maximize our profit. And how can we maximize our profit? So we can use 20x1, 20x1 plus 6.8x2 plus 12x3 and plus bracket minus 65,000 x4. This is the way how we can maximize our profit. So x1 is stand for dollars, spend on advertising. X2 is stand for dollars, spend on install inventory. Sorry, on install display. So our X3 is about dollar invested in on hand inventory, volume paper inventory. Our X4 is stand for percentage. My God. Second, sales cost of a row. The next step is to write down our constraints. So constraint is very important in LP, in this chapter LP, because this is a key to answer our question. So our constraint one is about x1 plus x2 plus x3 less equal $16,000. And our constraint 2 is x1 greater equal $3,000. And our constraint 3 is x2 minus 0.05 x3. And then greater 0, and our constraint 4 is x4 then greater equal 20%, or we can use 0.20, and our constraint point is x5. Sorry, it's x4 actually, but is less equal 45% or 0.45. So that's all. So that is our information about the question. So now it's time to answer the question. Okay, so just the form first. Time number 112. All right. So that's 3 problems 8 to 11. Okay, answer A. Right, first, we write down the decision value first. So we use next one S2, S3, and X4 to represent it. So, and the next is our value. Because we don't know our value, so and I highlight it to provide I forget it. So because we don't know the how much of the value, so we can use one to place it first. Okay, so the next is coefficient, right? So coefficient we can get from the question. So for example, x1 is 20, is 20, x2 is 66.8 and 12 and negative 65,000, right? So that's all about our coefficients. So in the right side we can just put objective value down. Alright, so because we don't know our objective value as well, so we also highlight it. But before that, we have to put down the formula first. So formula is like some product, and then open bracket, select our value, comma, and select our coefficient, and then close the bracket, enter. Yeah. So far this is our objective value. Okay. So the next step is to write down our constraints. Okay, constraints. Constraint one. Okay. Because we have 5 constraint, right? So we just copy and paste 5 constraint, and then change it. Constraint one, constraint four, and constraint 5. Okay. Okay, so this is our the next step is very important for how we solve to get the answer. So before that, we write down the left hand side and right hand side first. Okay, just to center. All right. So and the way we put down in this constraint is like, for example, actually this is very simple and easy. So for example, constraint one. Okay, so look back our the information we made before, and then you can see our constraint one we have used x1, x2, and x3, right? Sorry, x3, right? So in this table, we can see under the constraint one, because we have used it before, so we just put it one, and x2 and x3 we also use, right? So we also put one, but x4 we didn't use it, so we just put 0 for it. So uh, we don't know the value of our left hand side, so we highlight it first. And our right hand side we have got already from our questions. So it's about 16,000, and the symbol is less equal. So we just put less equal actually. And actually this is not necessary, but for my personal, I more suggest you to use and to put the symbol down, because it can clear vision for us. Yeah. So I suggest you put it down. Yeah. So the constraint two is just like the constraint one. Okay. 0, 0, 0. Right. So it's greater equal 3,000. Right. Answer 3. The same thing. X2 and X3 is negative 0.05. X4 we didn't use it, so we put 0. And it's greater equal, so we just copy paste and it's 0, right? So our constraint 4 is, and we didn't use it, we also use it, put 1. Alright. So greater equal, and then I choose to use 0.2 because I'm one person, I more preferred it. So 0.2, okay. This one is the same thing. One that is less equal, right? Less equal. Okay, 4.4. Okay, so after we done our table, we put the formula in the left hand side. This also is very important. And something same. Okay. Sum product, bracket, comma, sum, economic sum product, bracket, sum handle, comma, okay. So after that, in the top of the Excel, we can see that the button data, we just click it and click over. So our sales objective is we just click our column for the value, objective value, and by changing value cells, we select our values and add our constraint. So you can see this. So constraint 1, 4, 6, 3, and make sure our symbol is correct. And left side, select, okay, add. And you can see the symbol is all the same, so just select all of them and make sure the symbol is correct, greater equal, is all done, okay, and add again, make sure 5, okay, symbol is correct, alright, okay. So make sure you have clicked click this tick and then select simply LP. Okay, make sure all is correct and then we click the solve. So okay. So after you jump out small windows, and you can see there's the area of reports. So we select answer and sensitivity and click OK. Alright, so you can see our value is changed already, and objective value as well, hand sign also changed. So in the bottom of the Excel, we can see there's answer report 1 and sensitivity report 1. So we just did it. So from the answer report, we can see that the final value is already given. So the table already given in the table. So for value x1 is 17,000, x2 and x3 is 0, and value x4 is 0.2. And you also can see in sensitivity report, the final value is the same thing, it's the same amount. So you can see from it. Yeah. So this is our answer. So let's go to answer our question B, C, and D. Okay. Let's delete all of them. So answer B is solve the problem. All right. So use. And then look back for the table we made just now, and we get the optimal solution is for x1 is about x1 is 17,000, and our x2 is 0, and our x3 is 0 as well, and our x4 is 0.2. Okay. Yeah, so after using the LPP formula, and also we can get the maximum demand. So so our maximum demand is 20 x1 plus 6.8 x2 plus 12 x3 and plus bracket negative 65,000 x4, and we get the answer is 327,000. Yeah. So this is the answer that we got from the solver. So let's answer our question C. So our question is, what is the difficulty with the answer? So so the next is answer D. What constraint would you aid? So I would. Right. So this is all about um the process how I solve the question task 3 8 11. Thank you for watching.